The Minister acknowledged that the proposed new tax will lead to closure of many factories in the country.
On Tuesday, Parliament passed 7 bills, including the Excise Duty Amendment Bill 2022. The bill was earlier passed in March 2022, but returned to Parliament for reconsideration by President Yoweri Museveni. President Yoweri Museveni asked Parliament to reconsider its decision on the clause to introduce an excise duty of 20% on sugar confectionaries like gum, chocolates, and sweets. This clause was against the government decision of protecting manufacturers who were just recovering from COVID impacts.
Look at other consequential benefits, that taxation is not about raising revenue only.
The president had also disagreed with Parliament on rejecting the new targeted 40% levy on each kilogram of plastic, saying the decision undermines the objectives of government, which were to streamline taxation on plastic products and use of plastics.
Is literally saying, producers of Kavera, be at liberty.
However, on Tuesday, Parliament passed the Excise Duty Amendments Bill 2022, scrapping taxes on sugar confectionaries but levying a 40% tax on each kilogram of plastic.
Argument, however, was that it is easier to close them through taxation than through a blanket ban.
The 40% tax levy translates to 4,000 per kilogram from the 2.5% or shillings 266 per kilogram of plastic and plastic granules. The chairperson, Parliamentary Committee on Finance, Kiwanuka Kefa, however, noted that the taxes in question are arbitrary and will likely be disastrous to the economy.
The imposition of such high, unfair, and irregular tax would mean closure of these factories and hence the end of recycling technology in Uganda.
Sections of manufacturers, recyclers and dealers in plastic have warned on the likely impacts of the levy, saying it's most likely to lead to closure of many factories and loss in investment.
It's totally punitive because it is a tax called the closure tax. It means no business, no more movement ahead.
About 70,000 people are said to be employed or benefiting financially from plastics, directly and indirectly. The manufacture and recycling of plastics has also been one of the key tax contributors to the tax revenue.
Recycling industries, machineries that have been acquired from Germany, China, and all those parts of Europe are going to be stopped.
Nonetheless, plastics, if not well managed, can degrade the environment given the different and dangerous chemicals used in their manufacture. Susan Naung and Gloria Guitabinji reporting for UBC TV.